y'all, Kate the Chemist here, and I am part of the Global Science Engagement team, and you may be wondering, what does Global Science Engagement even mean? Well, our mission is to create connections between the scientists and the community, and one way of doing that is by doing really awesome scientific experiments. So for example, we have these 3D printed coasters, which are a beautiful leprechaun with a cute little basketball on there, and if we dip it into hot water, what we see is they change colors. Very simple, very cute, but it's a very neat way to interact with the community and hopefully get kids excited about science. But then if we take this and I dunk it into some liquid nitrogen, boom, the color goes right back to the original state. And this is all about really neat molecules that move around, and when they're hot, they go like this and they have one orientation, which our eyes interpret as one color, and when they're cold, the molecules slow down a little bit, they move into a different orientation, and our eyes interpret that as a different color. But like, see how easy that is? All we did was just dunk something in some hot water, and then dunk something in some cold water, well, liquid nitrogen, something cold, and we see a beautiful color change. But there's more to this. With our liquid nitrogen, we can take balloon animals and stick it in here. How many can I get in? That's 3. 4, we've got 4 in there. I can take these little rubber duckies, throw those in the liquid nitrogen. We can put our banana in the liquid nitrogen. And then we're going to let the banana sit there. And while the banana sits, let me see if I can pull out one of these balloon animals. Ooh. Ooh. And look at it. Oh, it's so cute. Let's see if another one will work. And this is Charles' law. So Charles' law shows us that when a molecule, or specifically a gas, is, when the temperature is one state, if it's warm, we're going to have a big volume. But then when the temperature goes down, like if we put it in liquid nitrogen, we see that the volume goes down. And so there's this really beautiful relationship between volume and temperature, and we can show that just by using balloon animals. But we can also just have fun, right? So let's say if I take out this cute little rubber ducky, now that it's been sitting in that liquid nitrogen, oh, she shatters. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so now here's the cool one. Sometimes she works. Oh, I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. Okay, so let me show you what we're gonna do here. So I've got this balsa wood. It's pretty light, and I have a nail. And what I'm going to do is take my banana, I'm gonna try to take my banana out of my liquid nitrogen. Okay, I've got it. And then I'm going to grab my cryo glove, and we're gonna see if I can use my banana as a hammer. Oh, it's working. It's definitely working. That's a banana hammer for you. And all of this is because of amazing science. So with our Global Science Engagement Initiative, we are trying to bring science to the people, bring our scientists to the people. I don't care if you're a big city or somewhere small, a rural area, we want to bring liquid nitrogen, hot water, these cool little coasters all to you. Let's go Irish!